you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request Mr. Charu Verma, Senior Principal Scientist Head, Business Development Division, Editor IJTK, Editor JSIR, CSIR, NISCAIR, New Delhi, to address the gathering.
Thank you so much. Respected Professor C.R. Natraj, former Chairman IIT Mysuru. Respected Professor M.J. Sampath Kumar, Chairman IIT Mysuru. Respected our guest of honor, Dr. J.W. Bakal, President IIT New Delhi, and other organizing members of IIT, Dr. S.R. Bhageshri, Dr. Parmeshwachari, and Mr. S.M. Manjunath, Honorable Treasurer of IIT Mysore, and all dear students who are participating in this and who are also attending this. A very good morning, and also congratulations on the International Yoga Day. It's an auspicious day today that, apart from mind and body, we're also doing something related to knowledge. So I'm indeed honored and pleased to welcome you all to the second IIT National Level Student Technical Paper Contest, which is organized by IIT Mysore. And also would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for inviting me for this event. It is indeed an honor. So thank you so much, all the organizers. I think in view of increasing importance of science and technology, it is indeed an opportunity to share and exchange the original research ideas, be it opinions, concepts, working models. So this is basically motivating our future researchers. And also we are trying to broaden the existing knowledge about various disciplines of engineering. So I feel proud that all these organizers of the conference have done a wonderful job and would like to congratulate them for this excellent effort and initiative to organize this event. I would also express my heartfelt gratitude to all the students and the researchers for supporting this and be part of this technical paper contest. Believe me, it's basically because of them that we are able to have this. So it's indeed their contribution and also the attendance for this event. So thank you so much. So once again, thank you all so very much to all the organizers and the stakeholders for contribution to the research fraternity. I welcome you all and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all the attendees to please mute their microphone, please. So moving on. Please mute your microphone. Padmashri ma'am, please mute your microphone. Thank you. Now I request Mrs. Anita K, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, DSSS IITW Mysuru, to introduce today's guest of honor.
Good morning, everyone. I, Anita K, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, GSSS IITW Mysuru, feel privileged to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. J.W. Bakal, President, IIT, New Delhi. He is presently working as Principal, Shivaji Rao S. Jondale College of Engineering, Dombivli. In addition, he is appointed as Director in charge of School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, University of Mumbai, Kalyan. He has completed MTech and PhD in computer engineering and has 32 years of industry and academia experience. He has published more than 100 papers in international journals and international conferences and several papers at national conferences. He has 7 patents on his credit and more in process. He was Chairman Board of Studies in Computer Engineering and member of Board of Studies in MCA, University of Mumbai. He is PG and PhD guide in University of Mumbai. He has guided 8 PhD research students and more than 50 PG students. He was a member of Academia Research and Recognition Committee of University of Mumbai. He is actively involved in the development of IET Mumbai Center. He has served IET Mumbai Center as chairman, vice chairman, and honorary secretary for more than 8 years. During his tenure as a honorary secretary, IET Mumbai Center got its own premises at the heart of city in Chembur, Mumbai, and won the second best center award for the year 2011-12 during ATC 2012 at Bangalore. He received prestigious B.R. Batra Award of IET New Delhi and a National Award Achievement in Education Excellence Award by NEHRDO New Delhi. He is a member of technical professional bodies such as Fellow of IET New Delhi, IE Kolkata, International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology, Singapore. He is a member of IEEE USA, International Journal of Engineering Research and Industrial Applications, and Computer Society of India, and so on. It's our honor to have you as guest of honor for second IET National Level Student Technical Paper presentation. I welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Chief guest of the function today of second IET National Level Student Technical Paper presentation organized by IET Mysore Center, Chairman of the Center, Honorary Secretary of the Center, and all corporate executive council members, student friends. It gives me immense pleasure.
Am I audible?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, yes, Pavitra.
Hello.
Hello, you're audible, Pavitra.
Hello.
Hello, you're audible, Pavitra, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Pavitra, you're audible.
Shall I continue? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir, please. Yes, sir, please.
Now, having this idea of student technical.
Am I audible?
Sir, please proceed, sir.
Please proceed, sir.
No, but it is interruption, like in between.
1 second, sir.
Mute them all, no, like others. Somebody's. So this student technical paper presentation is actually a motivational things for the students of ISF. It gives them the courage to stand before the audience, and whatever they have discovered or sometimes analyze, or sometimes a case study, or sometimes just a review paper. But what happened, they work in a group and they present. While presenting themselves, they can see what others have presented, how they have presented, how actually they have communicated their idea within a stipulated time of 7 to 10 minutes. So it takes to prepare a paper, that too for journal level, definitely more than 6 to 7 months for repute journals. But for students, they can have whatever they have done, a mini project. They can show that with their idea, prototype, that will boost them, and that will be continuous process. The Rome has not built in a day. Likewise, students will not be like the excellent presentation in day one. Naturally, it will take time. There will be refinements. Every time they will do something, they will find, yes, I have committed last time some mistake. Let me show what are my outputs. What is my maybe 0.2%, 3% contribution for the societal benefit. Now, this COVID-19 has given opportunity. Definitely, there are challenges, but opportunity for the students to serve nearby society by developing a cheapest ventilator, by developing maybe a mask, helping poor people by giving these chances of doing contribution by the maybe like wives of the society people, wherein the centers like Mysuru, which is very coming up center, which will help them to design and development of maybe like sanitizer. So these are the things actually will be now what actually this is a blessing in disguise. Why I say, because almost all the investors who had invested in China, they are coming back to India